In a snap move surprising everybody, United States President Donald Trump has pushed forward the move to sell sophisticated drones and precision weapons to the Kingdom of Morocco. For a very long time, Morocco has been looking for ways to improve on its unmanned operations, so that it can better monitor its borders and provide intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities to its ground troops. The announcement by the Trump-led administration of the sale for MQ-9B SeaGuardian drones still comes as a big surprise, and the fact that the proposed sale to an Arab state had received tacit support and approval from Israel. The deal includes 4 MQ-9B SeaGuardian drones made by General Atomics, Hellfire, Paveway, and JDM precision-guided munition made by Lockheed Martin's, Raytheon and Boeing. The United States Congress will be notified regarding the weapons deal, so it can review them before they are made. U.S. weapons export laws allows members of Congress to attempt to block such sale by offering resolutions of disapproval, but in this case, that is unlikely to happen. The MQ-9B SeaGuardian unmanned aircraft system will most likely be used to monitor rebels in the Western Sahara. It will complement 3 Harfan Heron UAVs that Morocco acquired from Israelis earlier this year, in a deal signed in 2014 under a $48 million contract with Dassault, which acted as the intermediary between France and Morocco. The MQ-9B was developed from a variant of the Predator B remotely piloted aircraft. It can be configured with cross-domain capabilities for a vast range of maritime surveillance operations, including anti-surface warfare, anti-submarine warfare, humanitarian assistance, disaster relief, search and rescue, law enforcement, drug trafficking, illegal immigration, piracy, oceanic maritime security initiative, and finally, airborne countermine capability.